Your cookies are amazing. Good job. Number one. Well, I got two more. So
these are a little
bit brownish, and it's white.
Dang it. Okay.
This is my color. That's your color.
Usually,
I will be the taste tester.
Usually if okay. So if I'm trying to take the yolk out, just the yolk, I open it up like that.
Yeah.
And then you can either like go like this back and forth, or you can put the yolk in your hand.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, salted up.
Light brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Light brown sugar. Unsalted butter.
I got butter over here.
Large yolk egg. One large egg. Vanilla extract.
Stick.
Or else we'll rolling.
Okay, I need
Vanilla old-fashioned oats. Rolled oats.
Hold on, I didn't have enough butter.
Butter, vanilla.
Vanilla, I gotta get the vanilla. You know what? I wonder where it is. That should be done by now.
You can make your own vanilla.
Yeah. I need a chair though.
I haven't seen any vanilla beans, and it's my first time to hear that.
Really?
Yeah, vanilla beans.
Okay. Chopped coarse, like
Coarse.
like in when you chop it, you don't want it to be too fine.
Oh
You want it to be a little chunky.
Chunky, a bit chunky. Shredded coconut, sweetened shredded coconut. And semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Oh no! Oh no!
Chocolate chips.
Oh no! Oh yes!
Yeah. That's all. All the ingredients.
Oh, melt button.
Melt.
You'll line cookie sheets with parchment paper. I don't have any rimless cookie sheets, so we're just gonna have to use the ones I have. Whisk flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. Okay. This is us whisking the butter and the sugar and stuff in a large bowl. We're gonna stir the flour into that. So that means to me I would put the flour in a medium-sized bowl, not a large bowl, because we're gonna be eating it out of there anyway. So there's a bowl of flour and the dry ingredients which you're gonna whisk together here.
Flour.
Yep.
Flour
So
is
right there.
1 cup.
1.25 cups. And I'm gonna give you a knife because yep. I'm gonna give you one of these spoons to scoop it out of there.
1 cup.
Yep. Because flour, you can get too much if you pack it.
It's okay.
Yeah.
And 1/4.
Okay.
This one. 1/4.
Okay.
Baking powder.
Okay.
Baking
There.
3/4.
That's, yep, 3/4. So this one's a half, and this one's a quarter. So if you do a half plus a quarter is 3/4. Does that make sense to you?
One full of here and
Yes,
half of this.
yes, because
Okay.
1/2 plus 1/4
1/4
equals 3/4. Baking powder over there.
Baking soda.
Yep.
Where is baking soda?
It's the yellow box.
Baking soda. 1/2.
Yes, so that means you stir it with a whisk.
Oh, this one.
Now we're gonna set that aside, I think.
Another bowl is sugar.
Oh, brown sugar. Yep.
1 cup and half.
1.5 cups. So take this and I stick it in here, and
Oh, you need to.
you pack it in there for brown sugar. That's how you measure brown sugar. And then it just comes out in a big clump. So then you
Half.
and then whisk sugar, butter, egg, and yolk, and vanilla. Okay. So this actually says 1 large egg plus 1 large yolk.
Yeah.
So we need 2 eggs. We need 1.
Because egg is small.
Nope, because it wants a 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk only. But either way works. But now this one is gonna be your whole
Oh,
egg.
yeah.
Okay,
And
so then you can try and do that.
yolk is the yellow, right?
Yes.
Is this enough?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
And then, yep. And then the white part we can just throw away because we don't need that for anything. What I'm doing with the nuts, it says that they should be toasted, so I'm gonna
Oh, you will toast
toast them
it.
on the stove here.
Vanilla. Vanilla. So I will combine it all.
Yes, and it says to whisk it. So when they say whisk it, I
Like
want you
that?
to use this thing.
It can make lots of cookies here.
This is gonna make about 16 big cookies.
Is this enough? We're making cookies!
Yeah, as long as there's no lumps in there, yeah. Okay, then it wants you to stir the flour into there, but I don't think I'd use them.
This one?
You might try this, see if that one works good for stirring. So we can't see any flour anymore.
How'd that go?
Good.
So when I get a haircut, I suppose I can work and make cookies.
Oats and pecans.
Did you get the other quarter of a cup of oatmeal in there?
Yeah, one cup and 1/4.
No. Okay, leave the pecans out for a second.
Pecans, coconut.
Yeah, just dump it out well. Is that very much more?
Look,
Thirds. Okay. So you have 1/3 here. If you do the 1/3 twice, it's 2/3.
2/3, ayun.
When I saw you coming in, but then I couldn't come up with anything. There's not really dogs there.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. That's smart in Golden Valley. You bring your foster dog. They pick it up, bring it up here, neuter it, and bring it back to Golden Valley and meet you there. She said they could do like.
Okay.
What about it now?
Ah, I don't have quite a cup, but that's okay.
Yeah.
It's located down by. Okay, how's it looking?
Is it okay?
Yeah, looks fine. Looks fine.
See that fly again.
This is all the oatmeal that's left from that oatmeal I bought at Freeport.
I got a lot of fall stuff done today.
Yeah.
I noticed the leaves look cleaned up again.
Yep, Jane was in, I was mowing and blowing, and got the patio stuff all put away. We cleaned out the garage pretty good and the shed. Really nice.
Lightly spray a 1/4 cup measuring cup with vegetable oil, because that's how we're going to measure the cookies. Because I told you these are big. These are big cookies. Making like regular sized cookies, I'll use a scoop like this. This one wants you to use this measuring cup. So you spray this in there so they don't stick. Okay.
Spray.
So we don't need these guys anymore, really. So you're going to scoop that thing full of dough.
Oh, I think I need.
It doesn't really need to be perfect or packed, and actually you can touch it. It's fine. You
Oh.
can touch it anyway. And then we're going to put them on these sheets that are ready. We got to make sure they're spread out far enough apart so that they don't run together.
I will put here.
Yep, but then we're going to probably move it a little bit. You got to kind of guess how far it's going to spread. Because
Oh, you will not
no,
make it circle. I only like that.
yeah, that's,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
that's good. they don't stick. Huh. Oh, look it, you did exactly 16.
Yeah.
I never get exactly 16. I usually have more. Uneven
It's
dough.
look like this caramel, but there's no caramel there.
Huh?
It's
Caramel?
look like yeah.
So, now we're
16
gonna bake them.
big cookies.
The bottom oven isn't ready yet. See that one? I turned both the ovens on.
Yeah, only
That's the top
225.
oven. That one's only at 225.
Yeah.
But we can put the top one in. So, just put it in. And then we'll set the timer for 16 minutes. You just set it to the 16 and then hit timer again. That's for the top oven. We can set another timer for the bottom oven once that gets hot.
Okay.
Um,
My first ever cookie. Thank you to Pom for teaching me. 8 years old.
Yeah, that's a long time. So, we should watch them and look at them so they don't get like this.
Oh.
Because they're not supposed to be that dark.
Oh, it should be all like this only?
Yes.
Oh. Why if it is like this? What it tastes? The taste is different?
Well, it might be just, no, it'll taste the same. It might be a little just on this rack for the rest of the time. And now you can see why we try to be really careful about placement, because these get
They will
really big
stick.
and they get together.
So this is the perfect color?
This is a good color, yes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, this one's gonna break. That makes me unhappy. Come on, people. That can be Lila's sample cookie. Uh-oh!
Oh, yeah.
See? I'm gonna be Pam's sample cookie.
Our homemade cookies. Cowboy cookies. It's a big cookie. We made it with Pom. These are my cookies. Oops, it's hot. We will transfer this, guys. Crunchier. This one is a bit crunchier. The other one is chewy. We made 16 big cookies, cowboy cookies. Smells good, guys. This one is a bit chewy. This one is a bit crunchier.
These are for somebody else, though. I'm trying to share.
You will tell them I'll make it. Cookies, cowboy cookies.
Cowboy cookie.
Are you getting one too? Are you getting one also?
Yeah.